Okay. Now for the differentiation of exponential and logarithmic functions, the rules for differentiations. Rules of differentiation, if u is a differentiable function of x. Now for the formula, the derivative of logarithm u with a base a with respect to x is equal to logarithm 1 over u. One over u logarithm of e with the base a, then the derivative of u with respect to x, with the condition that a is greater than 0, but a should not be equal to 1. Okay. Another formula for the log u with the base a, we have 1 over u ln of a derivative of u with respect to x. You can use either this one or this one. Okay. Second formula, this one. Next formula, we have the derivative of ln u with respect to x is equal to 1 over u derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, next formula, we have the derivative of a raised to u with respect to x is equal to a raised to u ln a derivative of u with respect to x. Condition, a is greater than 0. Next formula, we have the derivative of e to the u with respect to x is equal to e to the u derivative of u with respect to x. Okay. Next example. Example 1. A given is y is equal to 2 to the x. What formula are we going to use? We're going to use the formula for the derivative of a raised to u, where a is constant. Okay. We're going to use this formula. The derivative of a raised to u with respect to x is equal to a u ln a derivative of u with respect to x. Therefore, y is equal to 2 raised to x, y prime is equal to a to the u, therefore that is 2 raised to x ln 2, then the derivative of your x, that is 1. Okay, therefore y prime is equal to 2 raised to x ln 2. Okay, number 2 example. Given y is equal to 7 raised to t. Okay, therefore, we have derivative of y with respect to t is equal to 7. We're going to use this formula again. 7 raised to t ln 7. Then the derivative of t, derivative of, what is the derivative of your t? That is 1. 1 na siya. Okay, therefore, your dy over dt is equal to 7t ln 7. Okay. Sample number 3. Okay. Y is equal to 3 raised to x squared. Okay, therefore, you have y prime is equal to 3 raised to x squared ln 3. And the derivative of this one is 2x. Therefore, we have y prime is equal to 2x times 3x raised to the second power ln of 3. Okay, next example. Example 3, example 4. Example 4, y is equal to e to the sine 3x. How about this one? The formula that we're going to use, formula for this one, you have derivative of e to the u with respect to x is equal to eu du with respect to x. Okay, this one will be the formula. Okay, therefore, we have y prime is equal to e to the u. Therefore, that is e to the sine 3x. And the derivative of your sine 3x, the derivative of your sine 3x is cosine 3x times 3 because of your u. U is 3x. Y prime is equal to 3 e to the sine 3x cosine 3x. Okay. This one is your okay, questions. Okay, example 5. You have y is equal to e to the 3/4 x. Okay, therefore, we're going to use again this formula. You have y prime is equal to e to the 3/4 3/4 x. Then the derivative of your u, that is 3/4. Therefore, we have y prime is equal to 3/4 e to the 3/4 x. Okay, example 6. Given is y is equal to e to the x cubed. Okay, therefore, we have y prime is equal to e to the x cubed, and then the derivative is 3x squared. Therefore, y prime is equal to 3x squared e to the x cubed. Okay, next. Okay, example 7. Y is equal to A to the 5x squared. Okay, formula. Again, we're going to use the formula for A to the U, L, and A. Okay, therefore, we have Y prime is equal to A raised to 5x squared, L, and A. Then the derivative, that is 10x. Okay, therefore, Y prime is equal to 10x A raised to 5x squared ln A. Okay, another example. Example number 8. Y is equal to log of 7x. Okay, we're going to use yung formula na derivative of log u with the base a with respect to x is equal to 1 over u ln a, and then the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, therefore, we have y prime is equal to 1 over x ln 7 ln 7, and then derivative of x, that is 1. Okay, therefore, final answer, y prime is equal to 1 over x ln 7. Okay, example 8, 9. Example 9. Okay. Y is equal to ln cosine t. Okay, formula that we're going to use, we have derivative of ln u with respect to x is equal to 1 over u derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, therefore we have y dy over dt is equal to 1 over cosine t. Gawin natin t squared to. ln cosine t squared. 1 over cosine t squared. Therefore, and then the derivative of your u, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine t squared. And then the derivative of t squared is 2t. Okay, therefore, dy over dt is equal to 2t negative 2t over sine t squared all over cosine t squared. Sine t over cosine t is the same as or equal to tangent. Therefore, we have negative 2t tangent t squared. From hexagon formula, example number 10. Para medyo masaya. y is equal to ln tangent ng pi over 4 plus x over 2 find y prime. This one is from the book ng Differential Calculus by Rolando Mateo and Sergio Imas Jr. Yung questions na to, galing sa book nila. Okay. First, we have your y prime is equal to, anong pwedeng formula? LM to. Ang magiging formula natin kapag LN ay, kapag derivative ng LN, that is 1 over U. Sulat mo na natin. Okay, for the formula of LN U with respect to x is equal to 1 over U derivative of U with respect to x. Okay, therefore we have y prime. Ang U natin ay itong tangent pi over 4 plus x over 2. Therefore we have 1 all over tangent of pi over 4 plus x over 2. Then the derivative ng tangent natin ay secant squared pi over 4 plus x over 2. And the derivative of your x over 2 is 1/2. Therefore, y prime is equal to secant squared pi over 4 plus x over 2 times 1/2. This one is 1/2 over tangent ng pi over 4 plus x over 2. Okay. This one is also equal to, pwede natin gawin yung sinasabi kanina ni Aguirre, that is secant pi over 4 plus, okay, secant pi over 4 plus x over 2 times secant pi over 4 plus x over 2 all over 2 tangent pi over 4 plus x over 2. Okay. Secant over tangent is sine. Ano to? Secant over tangent. Anong secant over tangent? Anong pwede? Wait. Y prime. At pwedeng y prime is equal to 1 all over 2 ng tangent pi over 4 plus x over 2 all over secant over pala. Ito yung all over. Over pi over 4 plus x over 2 times secant pi over 4 plus x over 2 equal to tangent over secant is what? Sine. From hexagon?
Sine po.
Sine pi over 4 plus x over 2. While secant, that is also equal to 1 over cosine. Okay, do not forget yung 2 natin. Yung 2. Cosine pi over 4 plus x over 2. You have your y prime is equal to 1 all over 2 sine pi over 4 plus x over 2 times cosine pi over 4 plus x over 2. Okay. Let us have a recap for the double angle. Okay. For double angle, recap muna tayo. For double angle, we have sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta, while cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Or that is also equal to 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 or equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. While for tangent 2 theta, that is equal to 2 tangent theta all over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Okay, we're going to use now for the double angle. Since ang nakuha natin, you have y prime equal to 1 over 2 sine pi over 2, pi over 4 plus x over 2 times cosine pi over 4 plus x over 2. Okay, let us assume yung pi over 4 plus x over 2 is your theta. What have you noticed? We're going to use yung double angle. Therefore, this one will become what?
Yung pong
Y,
baba po ay
yes,
sin
1
2
over
2 sin
sine 2 pi over 4 plus x over 2. Okay, we have now your y prime is equal to 1 over sine 2 times 1/2 ng pi over 2 plus x. Okay. And then, cancel. Your y prime now is equal to 1 over sine pi over 2 plus x. Okay, we have equal to 1 over sine pi over 2. Pi over 2 is plus sine. Pi over 2 plus x. Sine pi over 2 is, di ba pi over 2 is 90 degrees. Eh di ito ay magiging 1. Okay. Equal to, paano ngayon natin, okay. Use the sum and sum of two angles.
Sorry po, pangit na sulat. Yeah.
Sige, tutulungan na nga kita.
Sin x. Yan po.
Okay. Okay. Tapos we're going to simplify now.
Opo.
Okay. O, ako. Para gumanda sulat natin. Okay. Now, equal now to 1 over sine pi over 2 is 1. Then therefore that is cosine x plus cosine pi over 2, that is 0. Therefore 0 times sine x is 0. Therefore your y prime is equal now to 1 over cosine x. But 1 over cosine x is equal to second.
Second.
Y prime is equal now to second x.